Welcome back. It is lunchtime for me, so that means I am doing my bread 6 ways. This is my bread for my current roll for sourdough episode: the sunburnt, sun-dried tomatoes, wasabi almonds, miso paste, and black pepper. And this was baked halfway through, then frozen, and then finished baking later. Let's get into it. As always, we're going to start with the butter. That is the test one. They are all toasted. Let's get it. Yeah, it's bread and butter. No, it wasn't great. Like, the last one was really good. This one was just mid. The butter didn't add much. The sun-dried tomatoes and almonds were still more powerful in it. It wasn't bad. This one is just Kraft singles. Kind of like a grilled cheese, except for the cheese didn't melt too much. Let's try it. Yeah. Fantastic. It was like a grilled cheese. Sun-dried tomato, Italian herbs flavor, because that's what sun-dried tomatoes were. So it's kind of like a pizza grilled cheese, really good. Top tier right now. Let's go. This one is blue cheese and buffalo wing sauce. Yeah, no, that was good. It tastes like a chicken wing without the chicken, obviously. The buffalo, the blue cheese, good combo. The bread was a good structured place for it. Yeah, solid. This should be a fun one. Easy Mac and hot dogs. And hair. My own hair. Easy Mac and hot dogs. You know, macaroni and cheese and hot dogs don't need bread. It doesn't need bread. It was okay. This is the first time I've had Easy Mac since I was like 12. That's why I stopped having it. But, you know, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. This one is quintessential sourdough. It is a fried egg, salt, and pepper. Here we go. I'm probably going to 2-bite this one because that's a lot of egg. How can you go wrong? It's an egg, salt and pepper, and then the bread, toasted, everything you want right there. And the last one, the most unique one. Cold pizza on toast. Pepperoni cold pizza from Domino's. It's going to be a lot of bread. Both things taste like pizza already with some texture. They just lose themselves in each other. Like, there's not much flavor. I had one last bite. Here's a piece of egg. Some macaroni and cheese. Combo bite. My rankings: egg, cheese, buffalo blue cheese, butter, pizza, and then macaroni and cheese, Easy Mac. Thank you guys for watching. I'll do these after everyone. Make sure you like, comment, and follow for future videos. Do what I say. Do it.